They're the undisputed rulers of the ocean, the apex predators of the deep. But what if I told you everything you think you know about killer whales is wrong? What if the name itself is a lie? And what if their social lives are more complex, more intelligent, and even more dramatic than our own? Stick around as we dive deep into the world of the orca and uncover 5 incredible facts that will completely change how you see these magnificent creatures. First up, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the whale in the room. Killer whales aren't actually whales at all. That's right. Despite their name, orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family, Delphinidae. So why the confusing name? The term killer whale is actually a mistranslation of an ancient name given to them by Spanish sailors, asesina balenas, which means whale killer. These sailors observed orcas hunting in coordinated packs to take down large whales, and the name stuck, eventually getting flipped around in English. Scientifically, they are known as Orcanus orca. So, next time you see one, you can impress your friends by pointing out the world's biggest, most powerful dolphin. Now, let's talk about family. Orca societies are some of the most stable and complex social structures in the entire animal kingdom, and it's all thanks to the moms. Orca pods are matriarchal, meaning they are led by the oldest and most experienced female. This grandmother figure is the living library of the group. She holds generations of knowledge, where to find food during different seasons, the safest routes to travel, and the best hunting techniques. This wisdom is passed down from mother to daughter, creating a powerful lineage. Sons stay with their mothers their entire lives, even after they have their own offspring. This incredible bond ensures the pod's survival, proving that in the world of orcas, Grandma definitely knows best. Imagine speaking a language so specific that only your immediate family could understand it. That's the reality for orcas. Different orca pods have their own unique dialects, a complex system of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls. These aren't just random noises, they are distinct languages. Scientists can actually identify which family an orca belongs to just by listening to its calls. In fact, pods that live in the same area and even look identical can have completely different dialects and will not interact or interbreed. It's like having 2 different cultures living side by side that never mix. This vocal specialization is a testament to their incredible intelligence and the deep cultural traditions that define their communities. They don't just communicate, they have conversations steeped in history and identity. Orcas are the ultimate global travelers. They are one of the most widely distributed mammals on Earth, found in every single ocean, from the freezing waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warm, tropical seas near the equator. But what's truly fascinating is how they've adapted to these different environments. We now know there are different ecotypes of orcas. These aren't different species, but distinct groups with specialized diets, behaviors, and even physical appearances. For example, the resident orcas of the Pacific Northwest exclusively eat fish, primarily salmon. The bigs, or transient orcas, living in the very same waters, prey only on marine mammals like seals, sea lions, and even other dolphins. Then you have offshore orcas that are thought to specialize in hunting sharks. This dietary specialization is so strict that a fish-eating orca would likely starve before eating a seal, even if it was readily available. They are the original picky eaters, and this strategy allows different groups to coexist without competing for the same food source, showcasing a brilliant, evolved balance in the marine ecosystem. Finally, let's talk about their hunting prowess. Orcas are masters of strategy. They don't just rely on brute strength, they use their immense intelligence to develop incredibly sophisticated hunting techniques that are passed down through generations. One of the most spectacular examples is wave washing. In the Antarctic, groups of orcas will work together to create a powerful wave to wash a seal off an ice floe. They swim in perfect formation, dive in unison, and then surge towards the ice, creating a unified wave that crashes over the top. They'll do this repeatedly, refining their technique until their target is swept into the water. In Argentina, another group of orcas has perfected the risky technique of intentionally beaching themselves to snatch sea lion pups from the shore before wriggling back into the sea. These aren't instincts. They are learned, taught, and perfected behaviors. It's a stunning display of teamwork, problem-solving, and pure genius that solidifies their status as the ocean's most intelligent predator. So there you have it. The killer whale is not a whale, but the world's largest dolphin. They live in complex societies led by wise grandmothers, speak unique family dialects, have adapted to thrive in every corner of the globe with specialized tastes, and hunt with the strategic brilliance of a military general. They are so much more than just their intimidating name. They are intelligent, cultural, and deeply social beings who command our respect and protection. If you were as fascinated by these incredible animals as I am, please show your support by hitting that like button. And for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.